Hi, my name is Kat and I'm the children's librarian here at the Tewksbury Public Library. Thank you so much for joining us for our maker craft today. We're going to be making our very own dancing skeletons out of cotton swabs. For today's craft, you need a piece of black paper for the background, 9 Q-tips, some glue, scissors, and a small piece of white paper. We have already drawn our happy skull face on here, but if you don't have one from the library, this is how you draw it. Most of a circle around, and then a line down on each side, and connect at the bottom. It's kind of like a light bulb shape. Then put in a smile, 3 vertical lines for teeth, a triangle nose, and 2 circle eyes. That's all you need for a skeleton. We went ahead and cut out our face, so now all we have to do is assemble our skeleton. We'll take our 3 Q-tips here and we're going to glue them down just like this to make a rib cage. We'll put a spine in the middle, and then this one is a little bit curvy. We'll put that for the pelvis. I am going to take 2 and bend them for legs, and he can look like he's dancing. And then we have 2 for arms, which we could bend those if we want to. He's pretty excited. Put the face at the top, and there we go. All we have to do is glue. Thanks so much for joining us today. I hope you had fun. You can follow us here on YouTube for lots of other arts and crafts tutorials, or follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB. Have a wonderful day.